What's up, guys? Nic DeSeelhorst here, your Salt Lake City realtor here at 1362 East Ramona Avenue. It's a newly renovated, amazing home here in really the heart of Sugarhouse. You're walking distance to Sugarhouse Park. You got the Dodo restaurant, you got Akamai. This one does have a lot of character. It was renovated really beautifully. So let's go take a look. Let me know what you guys think. 1362 East Ramona Avenue. It's an amazing remodeled home done by Elevated Design Homes. You'll notice the great landscaping front and back, as well as just the amazing finishes inside and out of this home. You notice things like the fence. They really paid attention to the details, made a quality fence, which a lot of people, if you do see them cutting corners on that, you'll notice that they're cutting corners elsewhere throughout the home. You got the soft closed doors everywhere, really nice carpeting and finish work throughout the home. Beautiful place, amazing location, outstanding, outstanding.